Are we having the video or shall I do it at the end? Okay, technical glitch, don't worry. We'll play you the She Leads India video at the end of this podcast. So I'm your host, Dipti, and today I'm joined by a woman who brings numbers, law, and clarity to the entrepreneurial table. CA Sukanya. Welcome, Sukanya.
Thank you, Dipti.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank
So,
you.
Sukanya is a practicing chartered accountant with deep roots in tax filing, audits, and corporate law. And Sukanya is also a proud member of She Leads India's marketing learning ecosystem. So, let's talk systems, success, and simplifying the scary stuff. Sukanya, are you ready?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, good. Let's do this. So, your journey as a CA and a She Leads India member, okay? So kind of you built a strong name in the world of finance. So, what made you choose to also become a part of a marketing platform like She Leads India?
Yeah. Thanks, Dipti. So I'm a chartered accountant since 2012. I headed accounts department of Lunkat Properties for 2 years, and thereafter I founded my own organization, East Tax Biz. So with East Tax Biz, it was with a vision to empower women entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs basically for making easy business and taxation. We do virtual CFO, tax litigation practice, and startups. I have been playing with numbers and compliance even. My decision to join She Leads India was to learn very basics of digital strategies to advanced level strategies to empower my business into this digital world. This helped me blend my business digitally. That made me
Excellent.
join She
Excellent.
Leads.
Excellent. I think that's the reason all of us join something like She Leads India because it really empowers us to just take those few steps further. Excellent. So, marketing and money, okay, if we're bridging the gap, see, many founders know how to market, but they shy away from taxes and legalities. Yeah, guilty. How do you see marketing and finance working hand in hand, especially for solo women entrepreneurs?
Yeah. So basically, if you ask me, marketing attracts clients, customer, right? But the finance keeps them. So if you are in a race to expand your clients or customers, you
Hmm.
have to go hand in hand with your finances. I see many women entrepreneurs going Facebook Live, Instagram, but they shy from just registering their companies or doing proper accounting and compliance. I always suggest all those women entrepreneurs to bridge this gap of marketing and money. You have to, and for the sustainable growth, you have to have systems in place to keep track revenue, expenses, and cash flows. So then only a woman entrepreneur will gain confidence and credibility and grow her business.
Absolutely. It's about a matter of organization as well, isn't it? So you're right, that word credibility is really important. So when you have the numbers in place, people take you that much more seriously. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, good. And even with the marketing part, like now with AI coming in, there's so much more that we can do to get ourselves out there and using AI get the numbers sorted as well.
Yes, yes. In fact, in She Leads, even as I know already finance, but to other women entrepreneurs, there were trainings of bookkeeping and all, and task management and all. So that is something interesting, and not just digital marketing or strategies you learn all these things also to manage your business.
Yes, yes. It's like a full circle of learning.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And that leads me to the next question. So, what do you think, like in terms of finances or finance view, what are the top mistakes that women founders make? Like from your CA lens, like maybe
Yeah.
two or three common mistakes that they make when it comes to like tax compliance or registration or whatever, all of these things.
Yeah, yeah. So, Dipti, first three common mistakes. My first common mistake is they go Instagram live, Facebook live, they do sales. They are completely saley, but they give their savings account for UPI transactions. And there they
Hmm.
create the first mistake. As an entrepreneur, you should always have a current account. That's the ekdam basics things which you should follow.
Yes, agreed.
Yeah, and second mistake which women entrepreneurs do, especially if they are any techno innovation based startups, okay, we have in India Startup India scheme, if you know, right?
Yes,
It is a PM Modi's initiative.
yes.
In that, if you are recognized under Startup India, you can apply for seed fund scheme only if in the first 2 years, from 0 to 2 years.
Okay,
So you understand the
that's
difference.
interesting.
Yeah, if you that many women entrepreneurs give it a miss because they are busy in streamlining the business. Okay, they don't
Mm-hmm.
take the basic registrations. So whether to go for a private limited LLP, which structure to choose, it is
Mm-hmm.
very important to be right from the basics. That is to register your company or LLP. Then within first 2 years, that is 0 to 2 years, if you go for Startup India registration, you can apply for seed fund scheme. But if you come in the third year and you ask me that Sukanya, I want a seed fund from government, you have already missed that bus.
Yes.
You got
And
my point?
people don't know this. I mean,
Yeah.
obviously, it's Startup India is well known, but the details of it, women really need to um, sort it through and just get there on time.
Yes, yes. So
Yes.
registering in Startup India is very important, and so is for the application of seed fund scheme within 0 to 2 years.
Okay. But first of
And
all, it's that current account.
yeah, yeah. And the third most basic mistake,
Hmm.
now as you gave me, that you 2 to 3 mistakes. So
Yes.
I'll take that as a
Give me
benefit to
three.
tell you the third common mistake which they make. And the third common mistake which they make is they delay in bookkeeping until the year end closes. 31st March till 31st March, they are least worried about bookkeeping. And in April, May, when the income tax return filing due dates come, they wake up, they take the bank statements, but that won't help. If you want to scale up your business, you
Yes.
have to keep updated accounts and not a year end business. Yeah, you got my point, I
I
think.
got it. Yes. I'm not going to say anything more on that.
Yeah.
Guilty as charged sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's actually a very silly thing to do. It's more work in the end, actually.
Yes. It's more
Good.
convenient if have an habit to maintain your bookkeeping right from the day one.
Yeah, yeah, good. And actually, that was my next question. What's the
Acha.
one habit that changes everything? Just one simple financial habit
Yeah.
that you recommend every businesswoman build even before she earns big.
Yeah. So I answered the basic
You
mistakes,
did, yes.
but still I will give a small tip to all women entrepreneurs. That is, this is the discipline which I also follow in my own organization.
Hmm.
Every Monday, you can fix one day. Every Monday or every Tuesday, whatever day fits you best. You have to track on that day, give 1 hour, track your income, track your revenue, expenses. What are the cash outflows which you have planned every week on week
Yes.
or in the coming months? Okay, not necessary my every month my same cash outflow will be there. For example, if you are into any product based selling, say corporate gifting. So
Mm-hmm.
in corporate gifting might be possible only the Diwali or the year end will you will be having good revenues, right? But at the same time you have to invest in your materials, right?
Right.
Purchase the materials and all. So for that, if I have a planned cash flow that okay, this year Diwali is coming in October, I need to plan for my purchases. From if you prepare that budgeting and forecasting with you, then this habit will help you grow, and when you earn good amount of revenue, you're already planned.
Yes, you already got the plan.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant. I
So
mean,
it
these,
helps in scaling up basically. If your foundation is strong, you can scale up strong.
correct, correct. These are such tips. Like the way you say it, it's really inspiring because a lot of times for people, finance and financial information can just go over the head, and you just can't get. You need a certain brain to get stuck into this. So, but the way you're explaining it is really nice.
Thank you.
Yes. Um, so learning in so moving on to marketing, so learning in a marketing ecosystem as a finance expert, so you're part of this marketing first community now, yet your strength is finance,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So what have you learned from She Leads India, which is the marketing first community that we have? What have you learned that has surprised you
Yeah.
or really helped you professionally?
Yes. So I have joined SHELeads India since many now 6 months, I guess, and it has transformed me from a tax advisor who used to give one-to-one consultation to a tax blogger who consults many entrepreneurs. Yeah, to gain. So basically, what I have gained is a strategical. So for me, SHELeads is not a marketing first community but a strategy first community.
Wow,
This is what I look at from my perspective,
that's amazing.
yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, because it has helped me plan my LinkedIn post. I keep on posting every week, and I've learned many things like LinkedIn, Canva, Pinterest, blogging, Medium, and whatnot, and
yes,
YouTube. I'm still learning YouTube, but yes, I can mention in hence your fourth future I'll be learning YouTube as well. And it is taught so simply and with so precisely, I would say.
yes,
He, like you said, you are understanding what I'm saying, even if it's finance. It's in that simplicity. Nikita explains and makes you help grow in this digital world. Because if you go and keep on enrolling all single courses uh, in that other Facebook and all,
right.
that doesn't help. In She Leads, this is a community and it is helping me grow systematically. I learned LinkedIn first. Then in that I LinkedIn I learned Canva. So I'm
Yes,
taking baby steps and growing. So that's the help I'm getting from She Leads, because it is strategically growing me as a growing me digitally. So I don't say it
absolutely.
a marketing first community. I say it a strategy first
Yeah,
community.
yeah, maybe we should change that.
Yeah, that I would recommend.
Brilliant, brilliant. Yeah, I love how you explain that strategy part. It's true because, as you said, just like you're so passionate and invested in your field, finance, The same way in She Leads, Nikita is also so passionate and invested in her field. And the best part, what you said is, when you take other courses, you don't get that personal interaction, that one to
Yeah.
one, and you don't get to ask questions.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of She Leads India, is that it's very, very personalized and you're able to ask those really important questions.
Yes, yes. And not even that, I missed out. I've learned AI tools also.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, so
I
it is
mean, that,
creating good
yes.
impact on my like sorry, but I'll interrupt in between.
No, it's okay. Tell me.
Last week I posted on LinkedIn
Huh.
whether like a solopreneur or OPC. Okay, solopreneur or one OPC is one person company.
Yes.
So what is better, and taxation and planning? That was my blog. Okay,
Hmm.
and you won't believe what surprised me is it had 16,000 impressions and 85
Wow.
likes. Oh, that was like
That's
I was
awesome.
so amazed. I was so amazed, and it is just by learning this from Sheelits, nothing else.
Right. That's
Yeah,
a fabulous example. Yeah, absolutely.
that
That's
that
really
is most
great.
surprising.
I could see the smile on your face, like,
Yeah.
excellent. That's a lovely story.
Yeah.
Maybe you can share a client story, like a client story that you're proud of, someone who saw lots of growth or scaling after following your tax and finance systems.
Yeah. So actually, Dipti, I'm into practice since last 12 years. Okay. So I have 350 plus clients in India as well as abroad. My office location is in Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. If you are, as you are from
Yes,
Pune as well.
yes.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
found my
So
way around.
So I have many success stories for I've helped several clients, saving 10 millions in taxes
Wow.
from assessment level to tribunals. So tribunals is the quasi judicial authority for, helping you save if you have any assessments going on, it goes to AO, then CIT, then tribunals. So I've helped many of my clients at the AO level itself to save 10 millions, to those also who had to go to tribunals. I've also helped them. So, and my recent win, that judgment is already printed in ITT journals. So that is a big achievement
Oh.
for me with this experience and all. But today, as this is She Leads platform, I'll give you an example of how I helped one women entrepreneur who was into coaching business.
Mhm.
And so she was overwhelmed. She was doing coaching business online, but she didn't had GST registration. Again, she had zero profit tracking and all. So what we did is we helped her, registering her company. We helped her in virtual accounting, and we also helped her into being compliant and, regularly paying taxes, so that she was saved from the late fees and
Mm.
penalties, which, compliance has its own cost. If you don't comply, you will, face those penalties. So we have helped her in that, and because of that, because of the virtual accounting and the systematic approach which she
Mm.
followed, it was only because of that she you could, give it to her bankers, a project report, and get funding from banks. So
Wow.
so that was the
Okay.
success story, so that your women entrepreneurs can relate to.
Interesting.
Yeah, she got a project funding of almost 1 year.
Yeah, you really take things one step or 10 steps further than a regular CA. A regular CA will just probably do what they're told to do. File my taxes, and they file your taxes. But your system is much more deeper than that.
So it's not me alone. I have a team.
Yes,
That's why
of
it's
course.
possible. That we have
Yes,
a 25 plus team
yes.
and 4 partners. So we need to
Wonderful.
work together and make things possible. And that's what our vision is, to make easy business and taxation.
Fabulous. Nice. Okay, so that brings me to my last question. Um, give some bold advice to our She Leads India listeners.
Okay.
A direct message to women who feel unsure about finances or joining structured communities like She Leads India. A lot of people can get hesitant, right? Depending on their specific comfort levels or likes or dislikes. So, what's your bold message?
Yeah. So my bold message would be, it's not that bold, but I would say
Okay, no problem.
start small and join a community. Because even if you start small, you can take daily disciplined steps and scale your business. Okay, you can work on your vision, but with a community, it will help you to grow strategically. And community like She Leads, as I say, it's not a marketing community for me, it's a strategy community, which will help you not only to scale your business through marketing skills and fundas which they teach, but also they will help you to scale up your business strategically, because there's community helps.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's not just the trainer who gives you that feeling or that vibe or that information. It's the other ladies in the community as well that, like you, are really interested and excited, to learn and be there for each other.
Dipti, I would also add that
Please.
we had vice president of Deutsche Bank
Hmm.
coming in to our community and giving us session on the agile. Okay,
Yes,
so if I am getting that exposure from this community, nothing like it.
absolutely, absolutely.
That's the strength of community.
Yes, yes, and there shall be more such opportunities coming up as well.
Yeah.
Anything
Thank,
else you'd like to add before we?
no, I would say thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you. I think you've given us some amazing insights with real clarity and warmth, and you've made finance much more doable in my head for sure.
Thank you. Thank you, Dipti. It's my
Thank you.
pleasure.
Thank you so much. So, ladies, if you're ready to blend digital confidence, marketing strategy, financial clarity, join us at She Leads India. Here's a short video that we'd like you to have a look at. And this is Dipti reminding you, don't just hustle, structure, scale, and lead smart. Have a look at this video. I think we have a tech problem with the video today. It's coming.
Priya.
Meet Priya. She's a cook based in Pune. She has been doing this business since past 4 years, but still struggled to go beyond the first year. Is it because she lack ability or she is not ambitious enough? No. She has tried everything. She's also consistent on Instagram. She has done paid marketing, tried Google review, but none of them seems to work for it. Is it because of her skill? Probably not. In India, we have 14 million women entrepreneurs. In fact, in Pune itself, we have 3 lakh women entrepreneurs. Every woman can resonate with this story. Hi, I am Nikita Vora, a digital marketing consultant and a trainer. Been in this field for more than 15 years now. I am founder of SHELeads India. I have done my graduation from Rice University, FHS German University, and also I am an alum of IIM Ahmedabad. At SHELeads India, we are trying to create a platform for women entrepreneurs to get an access to this marketing knowledge base, where every week we have trainings where women can come online or offline to learn this marketing tools. We do group trainings, we have one-on-one consultation call, we identify marketing software which they can implement or adopt to scale their business. Our end goal is to help women entrepreneurs understand marketing, implement those marketing strategies and scale up their business. We are also featured and appreciated by various media houses. We had 2 flagship events in 2023 and 2024 where we also saw 200 plus women entrepreneurs coming in together to listen to our national trainers. We are the bridge to connect trainers, industry experts and marketing tools with this women entrepreneur. We have a community which is close to 40,000 women entrepreneurs based in Pune. We created this platform understanding the logic that today also women associate their self-worth to their financial freedom, and unless they scale up their business, they are not going to achieve this financial freedom which they have dreamt of. We also want them to go one step beyond and create more opportunities for more women. If you are a women entrepreneur, please do join this community by clicking on the link below. Thank you.
Lovely. That was Nikita Vora, the founder of SHELeads India. And with that, we take your leave. Good night. Sukanya, thank you again one more time. It was amazing to speak with you.
Thank you, Dipti. Good night.
Okay. Good night.